Good evening. My name is Trey Cocroft. Today is April 16, 2021, and the Supreme Court case that I will be debating on will be United States v. Nixon. The summary. United States v. Nixon, which happened back in 1974, was a landmark United States Supreme Court case that resulted in a unanimous decision against President Richard Nixon, which ordered him to deliver tape recordings and other subpoena materials to a federal district court. Issued on July 24th of 1974, the decision was important to the late stages of the Watergate scandal, when there was an ongoing impeachment process against Richard Nixon. United States v. Nixon is considered a crucial precedent limiting the power of any U.S. president to claim executive privilege. The Watergate scandal. On July 17, 1972, 5 men were arrested for breaking into the Democratic National Headquarters at the Watergate Complex in Washington, D.C. These men worked for Richard Nixon's re-election team, but Nixon claimed he had no knowledge of the wrongdoing that was taking place. However, some news outlets had evidence that proved that Nixon was covering up the burglary. This made the U.S. Attorney General appoint a special prosecutor to investigate the case further. Both sides. Richard Nixon claimed that the Constitution gives the president power to withhold information. Nixon also states that issues of executive privilege should be solved in the executive branch only. The special prosecutor, though, held that executive privilege did not include when the president was involved with a crime. The judges in the case. The judges in the case of United States v. Nixon included Thurgood Marshall, Warren E. Burger, William J. Brennan, William O. Douglas, Potter Stewart, Harry Blackmun, Byron White, and Lewis F. Powell. The ruling. The ruling in the case of United States versus Nixon was ruled in a unanimous decision against Nixon. The court ruled that Nixon was rejecting his claim to absolute unqualified presidential privilege. Chief Justice Burger said, neither the doctrine of separation of power nor the need for confidentiality of high-level communication without more can sustain an absolute unqualified presidential privilege of immunity from judicial process under all circumstances. In conclusion, the Supreme Court ruling established that the president could not withhold information from a criminal trial and that executive privilege is a legitimate but not absolute power. It also defined that the Supreme Court has the final say in questions regarding the Constitution. The ruling affirmed the previous Supreme Court rulings and has helped ensure that our branches of government can hold each other accountable and can also remain separate but equal.